Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and my YouTube channel is Expressionist Studio Priscilla Batzell now, and I am going to give myself permission to use a wide swipe card and a not so wide swipe card, and I'm going to start by just adding colors wherever I can put them, starting with the black until it won't come out anymore. Oh, please. And I have thinned down my gold, so we'll see how that works. And I don't think I care how this goes on, so long as it goes on. This is that was Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold with an awful lot of excess Floetrol mixed with GAC 800, my normal mix. You can find my pouring recipe below the video. I thought I was going to avoid purple, but I think I'm just going to go for it. And see what happens. I'm being called a copper. Wow. That's... is that the copper I want? That's not really the copper I want. The copper I want is a Deco Art Americana metallic. And I think I'm just going to start. This may go sideways. I have no idea how this is going to go. That's some dioxazine purple from Master's Touch. And I like that. I want some white in there. And I want to use my iridescent pearl fine from Golden, which makes a huge difference. I might want to take my hand out of the way so I can take a picture of this, because this is pretty cool right the way it is. I like it. That's so weird. So I am going to start with the side of my card and put some Floetrol right in my dish, and also right along the side of my card. I'm going to take my paint residuals and put it right on the edge, all the way down. Wipe them off. I've got a little dish. Where are you, dish? There we go. I might not want to really wipe anything off. I might want to actually use them all. I'm missing my purple already, but I'm liking the big card effect. And I'm liking seeing what a big card will do, honestly. I didn't have much left over on that, but I guess I have enough. Just flip it over so I can use it again. That's not very straight, but I can come back again. And probably will. I want to go sideways. I sort of have to start this first experiment by going all in one direction, just so I find my comfort zone, if there is such a thing at this point. But I can also fill in these gaps that are void of paint or primed with matte black paint. Oh, I went sideways already. Can't trust me. Okay. So, sideways it is. And then again the long way. And I'm going to wipe off my card so I can use it again in the Floetrol, because that is working. Next time I could probably do this so that I could leave some of those. It's a different kind of, it's not quite a geometric, is it? It's something. I almost have enough room with my bottles out of the way. I'm going to use the short way. I kind of like those marks in there. So much so that I'm going to risk leaving them. I probably should leave some voids. Do I have colors everywhere I want them? I kind of like this just the way it is. Put some more Floetrol on my card. And I'm thinking that I like the black in there, but I also like the white. I like the combination of the horizontal and the vertical. That's pretty cool. And I think I'm leaving that. And I think I'm going to dip my card right in my residuals dish and use some of that right now. And probably use some of it on the edges also. That's that. That was super fast. That reminds me of one of my mom and dad's paintings from a long time ago. I could do all kinds of stuff. I could drag a spatula through here. I could drag a basting brush through here, but I like the textures I have and the cells I have. It's a really simple color palette, pretty much. We just skipped the pink, basically. And I am going to call it good and say there's 91,000 of you subscribed. Please check my 1,700 videos organized by on playlists by genre and topic and by the 100, or ask me questions if you need a link. Please feel free. I can't talk lately. Anyway, I'd love to have your thumbs up, and I really appreciate you guys watching the videos longer. It helps my standing on YouTube. If you watch them when the notifications come out, that's also a big assistance to me as well. So whatever's not swiped already is good enough for me right now. I love this exactly as it is. Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you are capable of helping support the studio in the production of videos, find the PayPal or Patreon icons on my YouTube channel banner or on my Linktree, which is right below the video. My Linktree holds the Facebook groups Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. Wow. I'm going to try and zoom in so you guys can see some of this, because it's pretty cool. Anyway, so Facebook groups Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more has a Shop Now button that'll take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America. And you can also find those on the Linktree. Below the Linktree is my email address. Should you happen to be interested in purchasing a painting, it is possibly the number one best way to help support the studio continuing on, because it's not coming from anything else. I have 2 books, and they're on the Amazon link, and if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. The 2 books are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. I think that's just about everything except for the Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links are also on the Linktree. And below the video, you'll find Teespring clothing, all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. I gotta stop trying to read that. I just gotta remember it. So I love you guys. Take care. Remember, you can ask me questions if you want, and I will see you anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Whatever I forgot, you'll see in another video, I'm pretty sure. And I think that's it. I'll see you anon is good enough. Bye for now. Priscilla out.